Lamborghini has had quite an exciting year, that is 2021. It started off with the Urus Pearl Capsule Edition, then came the Huracan Evo Spider, and then the Huracan STO, the fantastic race car that's street legal. And now we have the Urus Graphite Capsule Edition. Well, it's another line of packaged customization option for customers. You can personalize the car to your liking, and there are a lot of other things that come right from the factory in Italy. So let us tell you what the Graphite Edition is all about. Now this is one of the first Graphite Editions to come to India, and this is in the lovely matte black color. In fact, there are 4 colors in total. So there's matte silver, matte white and grey as well on offer. But the real highlight, of course, are the candy colors that really give you a distinction between the standard color and these highlights. So on the splitter, you get this nice orange shade. You also get a yellow and a green option. And when you move towards the side, that orange theme continues and you get it on the dorsals as well. And that really adds a nice contrast to the colors that we see here. Another big change, of course, are the wheels. These are Tygate rims. These are 23 inches upsized from the standard 21 inches that you get on the regular car. And another change on the Graphite Edition, of course, is that this section of the rim will also be in the contrast shade. Now, this particular model does not want it because the customer does not want it. And instead, you would get actually a nice orange or a green color that you would opt for. Moving to the back, you of course get the spoiler finished in that orange shade. It's in gloss and makes for a nice contrast compared to the matte base color on the car. And completing that aesthetic, of course, are the black chrome tips that really make it stand out compared even to the standard Urus and of course every other car out there. Let's take you inside now and show you what are the changes on the Urus Graphite Edition. The cabin on the Urus Graphite Capsule Edition also gets the dual tone combination, much like the exterior. The interior gets the orange and black shade on this particular model and it looks lovely. It gets ventilated Alcantara seats and the signature hexagonal Quicitura stitching is done in orange as well. In fact, the colors extend to the door pad and the rear seats, while there is the Urus embroidered logo to complete the upholstery. And finally, the dashboard gets the matte carbon fiber inserts with black anodized aluminium details. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Now with the Graphite Edition, you don't get any performance changes, so you still get the 4.4 litre V8 turbo engine. The fantastic engine makes about 641 brake horsepower, 850 Nm of peak torque, and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, you get 4-wheel drive with 60% of the power going to the rear, and you get a 4-wheel steering system. So the rear wheels actually move directions as well for better handling. And remember, this is a performance SUV. So 0 to 100 km/h comes up in just 3.6 seconds. And this is also one of the fastest SUVs in the world with 305 km/h as the top speed. The Lamborghini Urus is definitely one of the best cars out there and every enthusiast's dream. And for those who actually can own it, well, the whole idea of personalization just takes that dream a bit forward. This one will cost you 3 crore 16 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and that's quite the money. But of course, that's for the standard price. The Graphite Edition will cost you a little more. Lamborghini won't tell us just yet what it is, but it says it's a small premium over the standard version. What do you think about the new Graphite Edition? Let us know in the comment section below.